kind of like this angelic hue that I'm getting over here. This guy, he's going down. So we've been having our problems, yeah, with leaves that are cut and munched on. And for the most part, I've been upset because they've been no culprits found until dun dun dun. Who bit my lily koi? And you're still there. See?
It's a fuzzy caterpillar.
Yes.
Can we let him stay?
What?
Can we let him stay?
He ate our leaf.
It's okay. I want to see what it becomes.
But he ate our leaf.
People are struggling to grow butterflies. What if it becomes a butterfly? Look, it's fuzzy.
What if it becomes a mass murderer of leaves?
Transfer to the bee.
What? Oh my god. This is why we're not going to be successful gardeners.
Let me take a picture. There. Take a picture to post it.
Kill them. This seems to be about
Kraken. Hi, Kraken. Where's Petey? You check if Petey's alive.
oh no. Yeah, I can take it pieces. There's Petey.
Oh, Petey's alive. He's down there. Is he eating the liquor?
I don't know.
Go into your butterfly, Petey. Is he still there?
That prisoner leaves. Is that?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So, in a new attempt to turn over the new leaf and not be homicidal gardeners, we've captured Petey.
Yes, he has a name.
Petey the caterpillar, peeler, whatever. And we're transferring him to his new condo. If you want to take a look at the condo, which features a cutting from
His host plant.
the same plant he was eating on. So now I'm trying to find the coolest way to get Petey to his house. Said Petey's not cooperating.
Didn't he have a friend?
His friend's in there already.
Oh, okay.
Oh, here we go.
Yay.
And the transfer begins.
Right there on a branch.
What time is it? It's garden time. Actually, it's garden critters time. Giving you guys a little update on the pal we called Petey about a week ago. We caught this guy munching on our lily koi. Oh, did he just take a crap? Did we just watch him take a... Oh my god. We had captured him in the process of munching on our young tender lily koi leaves. And as I was about to squish him, Di said, no, don't let him die. Can we put him in a home? Well, when we captured Petey, we thought we picked up a couple of his friends. We did. One of them seemed to escape from its first enclosure, a Talenti container. that were just a little too big. But since then, boom, boom, boom. So we have roll call. Petey's Pal. And yet to be named Caterpillar. Follow up to that last video here. We've got a development. So Petey, who I can only assume is Pal, the recent move in, and yet another one. Okay, now this is just getting silly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good Lord. So, lessons learned from this experience. If you see a bug, kill it before your girlfriend falls in love with it. And if you're looking for an enclosure to keep caterpillars, forget Petco. Spend the $8 and get yourself some cheesy poofs. Drill, drill, drill. And you've got a home. According to her, they're going to turn into beautiful butterflies. Before that happens, I think we're going to be losing some more lilikoi leaves because they are voracious munchers.